I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW 5 Series versus the Audi A6. We'll start by examining their exterior designs, highlighting the distinct styling philosophies each brand employs. You'll see how the 5 Series leans into a more athletic stance, while the A6 maintains a refined, executive presence. We'll also touch on their signature grille designs and overall road presence, helping you decide which aesthetic better suits your taste. Moving inside, both the 5 Series and A6 offer luxurious cabins, but with different approaches. The BMW prioritizes a driver-focused cockpit with intuitive controls and high-quality finishes. In contrast, the Audi A6 showcases a more minimalist design, integrating multiple digital screens seamlessly. We'll explore their infotainment systems, digital instrument clusters, and the array of comfort and convenience features designed to enhance your driving experience. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood and how these cars feel on the road. The BMW 5 Series is celebrated for its sporty handling and responsive steering, offering a truly engaging driving experience. The Audi A6, however, excels in delivering a remarkably smooth and refined ride, perfect for long journeys. We'll discuss their various engine options, including powerful V6s and efficient four-cylinder choices, and how they impact overall performance. Finally, let's consider value, safety, and our overall conclusion. Both the 5 Series and A6 come equipped with comprehensive safety features and achieve excellent crash test ratings, ensuring peace of mind. When deciding, think about factors like long-term ownership costs, potential resale value, and which car's overall package best fits your lifestyle. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Ultimately, your choice will come down to personal preference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.